Welcome back. In this video, I want to address my developer environment. I'm keeping things really simple for this course. I'm not downloading any software. I'm doing everything in the browser. That doesn't mean that you need to do that. At this point, the only requirement for the course is that you know the basic syntax of JavaScript, that you're comfortable writing JS code. So however you do that up until now, I would just do that, continue on. But I wanted to show you what I'm going to do if you do want to follow along. So I'm using Chrome as my browser. I always do in all my courses. And Chrome comes with a little developer tool called Snippets, JavaScript Snippets. So here's Chrome. And I just open up the console. I usually use a shortcut on a Mac. It's Command Option J. But you can also go to Inspect. And then that takes you to the elements, and you can go over to the sources tab. And then in the sources tab, there's a snippets sub tab, I guess you would call it. There's a couple of them, but I have snippets as the only thing that shows. And you can see I have a bunch of named snippets. I'm recording this after I've finished writing and recording the rest of the course. So you can see, for example, here's one of our snippets. So I'm just doing everything in the browser here rather than using the terminal and running code with Node.js. You absolutely could do that. You could write your code in Sublime Text. You could use, I think there's equivalents to snippets in other browsers. You could use JSBin, CodePen. There's many options out there. Just run JavaScript. But to show you how this works, let's say I'm just going to make a new empty snippet. You'll see me do this a couple times in the course. I'll just call this demo snippet. And then in here, close that. I'll make it a little larger and then just do some really simple thing like console.log hello from the snippet. Oh my gosh, cannot spell here. Okay, so let's leave it at that. And all I have to do to execute this code is either go down here and click play, but also it shows me the shortcut Command return on a Mac, and on a PC it will tell you whatever the respective equivalent is. So when I hit that, I'm going to do it right now. If I scroll up, I should see, there we go, hello from the snippet. So you'll see me do this throughout the course. For example, I might run this snippet here, and it doesn't matter what it does. It's a binary search tree, breadth first search. If I hit Command Enter, it just ran, and you can see this was the output. This is what was returned. And that's pretty much all I have to say about Chrome snippets. So you'll see me work with them frequently. I have a bunch of them over here. I usually make a new one for each thing. So here's a doubly linked list. We add a set method, and then I'll make a new one when we add a remove method, for example. But that's all I'll say for now. It's a very easy way for me to run code in the browser that everyone can do. You don't have to download anything. It's not Mac or PC specific. But also, if you know how to write JavaScript, which I hope you do, to take this course, you should know the basics. You might just want to continue on with whatever you're most comfortable with. This is not a requirement for the course. We're writing basic JavaScript. Run it however you prefer. Okay,